Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 plate Peugeot Partner Horizon wheelchair access with an allied conversion. Ladies and gentlemen, this is done just 4,000 miles from new, direct from Motability, so we can guarantee the mileage. Comes with a full main dealer service history, even though it's only done very low mileage. And it's the EGC 6-speed automatic or semi-automatic gearbox. Proven to be quite popular due to the low tax bracket, just £30 for 12 months. As standard, you've got your air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors, ABS, ISOFIX seating. As you will see, everything you'd expect from a 4,000 mile car. Absolutely lovely. Grade A condition, as is with all of our cars. It doesn't really matter what the mileage is, all of our vehicles are in grade A condition. Most of them suitable for mobility, private use and taxi drivers. We do have the odd one or two vehicles that maybe we've taken in part exchange or we just keep in stock that are just for private mobility users only. But as I say, just generally they're dual purpose for both mobility users and taxi drivers. Just coming back round by the rear seats, just to show you, it's the 5-seat conversion, and just by tipping and folding the back seats out the way, will create the wheelchair space, and depending on the size of the chair or scooter, one additional seat in the back. So it can be used as a regular 5-seater when the wheelchair space is not required. As with most of the allied conversions, nearly all of them to be fair, definitely with all of the 5-seaters, comes with a fold flat ramp. Got 4-point securing for the wheelchair or scooter as standard. The yellow webbing there is the electric winch with carabiner hooks at the end there. So that's on a remote control, just a simple use in and out. Nothing to worry about on that side of it, but for those that are lacking slightly on the upper body strength and when pushing a wheelchair, you've got the winch there to assist you. Comes with the rear parking sensors as standard. So most of them vehicles have the rear parking sensors. Only those that have been requested not to have fitted do not come with it. If you're looking to part exchange your car, we can do that. Doesn't have to be wheelchair access. It can be a conventional vehicle. We have ways of disposing of those vehicles and making the most of your money on that side of it. So if you do have a car that's not wheelchair access you'd like to part exchange, give us a call. We'll happily discuss it with you and we'll do the best to get the best possible price for you. So grade A condition as previously stated. Very little wear at all. If you're looking to finance the vehicle, we can do that. We generally use Motonovo Finance Company. We have got access to other finance companies at Motonovo, and sometimes we can have you in the car from application to in the car within a matter of minutes. So all very easily done. We can also send you a quick quote and you can fill the application in the comfort of your home, so just give us a call if that's what you want to do. And we are offering 0% on selected vehicles. The maximum amount you can borrow interest free is £6,000 over 3 years. So if you want to discuss that, you're more than welcome to. As I say, just give us a call. Our telephone number is 01634 716 911. If you want to have a look at the website first and then give us a call with your favourite vehicle, just visit www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. If you're a taxi driver and you just want a few vehicles that are suitable for taxi use, just visit www.premiertaxisales.com. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.